about how can you select your badge on your Clapper app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, just click here on edit profile. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on my badge, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, just switching to open video here. And here can you select your any badge here you want to select in this list. Here you have these badges here. So can you add any of this on your Clapper app? So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.